I feel like you should always be yourself. And when it comes to like people trying to tell you what to do, or if you should dress a certain way, if you should act a certain way, or talk a certain way, in order to like be cool with them, or like have a relationship with them, or whatever the fuck. I feel like that's very unfair, and that's what I'm eating, whatever the fuck. And somebody were to tell me, oh, Brandon, if you wanna be cool, if you wanna hang out with me, you gotta wear XYZ, or you gotta talk like he or some shit, then like, alright, nah, fuck that, dude. Like, I'ma do me. And I feel like anybody that got a problem with me, fuck it.